In this video, we're talking about Nomina token, legit or scam. Before investing, friends, do your own research and let's get started. This is a power tools for one-chain markets, and this is 10x your strategy across all the exchange in one place. You can claim your token and you can access this Nomina website or the app. You can just log in your account from here. You can use your wallet and you can use MetaMask, Coinbase to start using, or you can trade on this website, but do your own research before that. If you have code, you can access with codes. If I scroll down this token, Bucket by Jump and Spark and Coinbase and Pantera, all this platform, and you can scale profits and points, and you can execute growth across exchange strategy. This is the website. You have this section of news, you have community, and you can join whitelist today. Just click this one. This is the for whitelist. Click start and fill this form. And this you have community on X, guys, and on Discord also, on Telegram. You can check here this community on Telegram, and you have a community on X also, guys. You can see here. This is on Discord channel, a huge member on Discord. The price of this token is $0.040. This token is still on popular exchange like Bybit, Binance, Bitget, Geta.io, and XT and Bitmart. The bullish is 81%, the bearish is 19%. I see some engage here on this community, and with total supply 7.5 billion of this token, and the max supply, if I make here on the max supply, just a way to see max supply or something like this. The max supply is 7.5 million, circulating supply almost 2.9 billion of this token. The holder 700 members. And if I check on Etherscan, I see some transaction here on last 2 minutes, like last 6 minutes, 7 minutes. This is good to see this number. So guys, anyway, you have this section of about us, blog, option, apps. You have this is the app, and this is trading platform. Looks like a trading platform. Just connect your wallet here, and you can use and you can start trading. Anyway, guys, I give this token 7 on 10, and this is not financial advice. Just do your own research.